Good day, my fellow comrades, and welcome to my shop. My name is Dmitry, and today we're gonna be talking about noise. There are two main sources of noise around our place. First is our 7-year-old daughter, and the second one is my 60-year-old Stanley air compressor. Let me give you a few tips how to deal with noisy kids. First of all, you need to send them to school and let someone else deal with it. Mrs. Murphy, you're doing a great job. Second one, you need to take them to the swimming pool, because you can't talk underwater. And the third one, which is my favorite, is get yourself a job in mining industry, so you don't have to be home at all, just like myself. In order to stop annoying your neighbors with your old noisy air compressor, all you need to do is go and get yourself one of them Stanley silent air compressors. It's time to check it out. Okay, it's all back together now. With assistance of 10 and 17mm sockets, it only took me 15 minutes to put everything back together, and now it's time to get it tested. In this episode, I'll be using my new air compressor for sandblasting and painting purposes while I'm restoring this old Stanley number 4.5 plane I picked up on a garage sale last year. I used my air compressor all day yesterday, and overall I'm pretty happy with my recent purchase. For $3.99 I ended up getting air compressor that doesn't annoy my neighbors and capable to run just about every single tool I have in my micro workshop. That's it for this episode, and if you like what you see, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, boom!